It's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability make every trip the perfect journey. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, sync services Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.